So for the first benefit for your custom-made kitchen cabinet is going to be the tailoring to your space and needs or desires. And let's get into it. So firstly, tailored space. Custom kitchen cabinets are specifically designed to fit your kitchen unique layout, dimensions and requirements. Firstly, you can optimize use of space, perfect for small kitchens, awkward corners or even unique layouts where standard cabinets won't fit. Secondly, the specialized features. They include a pull-out drawers or lazy Susan or even built-in spice racks or custom compartments for appliances. Last but not least, the custom dimensions. You can adjust the height, width and depth to fit perfectly into your kitchen, making every inch of the kitchen count. Therefore, when using custom kitchen cabinet, you won't waste an inch of space in your kitchen. So, for the second benefit of your custom kitchen cabinet is gonna be the personalized aesthetic appeal. So, you have completed control over the look and feel when you are using custom kitchen cabinet. Firstly, the material options. Choose from high-end options like solid wood, eco-friendly bamboo or sleek laminates. Secondly, the finish customization. You can select paints, stains or finishes that match your kitchen theme. Thirdly, the hardware choices. You can add unique handles, knobs or soft close hinges to enhance the design. Okay, and last but not least, the style flexibility. You can literally match any design and aesthetic from modern minimalism to rustic farmhouse, ensuring that your kitchen reflects your personal taste at its best. So to sum up, when you're using a custom kitchen cabinet, there's no limits to your imaginations. So when it comes to the third benefit, it's going to be the enhanced durability and longevity when you're using a custom-made kitchen cabinet. Let's get into it. So custom cabinets are actually built to last and withstand a long-term daily usage because they are made from high-quality materials. Choose durable materials like hardwood or marine-grade plywood for the moisture resistant. Secondly, the craftsmanship. They are all handcrafted by skilled artisans for precision and attention to detail. Thirdly, the long-term investment. You can actually reduce the need for frequent repairs or replacement and actually saving a lot of money over time. Last but not least, as I mentioned, the tailored protection. Include moisture-resistant finishes, materials that can handle heat and humidity very well. To sum up, custom-made kitchen cabinet ensure the longevity of your kitchen. Last but not least, the benefit is going to be the increased home value when you're using custom kitchen cabinet. And let's get into it. So, custom cabinet adds significant value to your property, and why is that? Firstly, the high-end appeal. A lot of potential buyers often perceive custom cabinet as a very premium features and unique selling point. A custom kitchen can set your home apart in a competitive market. Thirdly, a durability as a selling features. The longevity of custom cabinets makes them a very attractive investment for future owners. Obviously, right? It's so expensive. And last but not least, the modern features. The customizable options like hidden charging stations or smart cabinet system storage that can actually enhance the kitchen functionality and appeal. So to sum up for the last benefit, having a custom-made kitchen cabinet can actually obviously boost your home value in a very significant way, as a lot of buyers love the custom-made kitchen cabinet. When it comes to normal pre-made kitchen cabinet or stock cabinet, they also have a lot of benefits to itself, so don't fret. So the first benefit is going to be the cost effectiveness and budget friendliness. So stock cabinets are affordable options without compromising functionality. They are lower production costs. For example, they can be mass produced in large quantities, making them cheaper than custom options. Secondly, the standardized material. They often made with MDF or plywood, which are cost efficient yet durable. Thirdly, the variety of price ranges. They are available in basic models for tight budgets and even premium lines for some slightly higher budget homeowners. Last but not least, the affordable upgrades. They are options to add soft close hinges or upgraded hardware without high cost. This is why, to sum up, if you are on a tight budget and you want to have a quick cabinet, stock cabinet is definitely one of your best choices. So, for the second benefit of your stock kitchen cabinet, obviously it's going to be the quick transportation and easy to install. Alright, so quick availability and installations. Stock cabinets save time making them ideal for quick renovations. Firstly, you can have them at immediate purchase, readily available at most home improvement stores or online. And secondly, you can have them pre-assembled or ready to assemble. Choose between pre-assembled units for faster installation or flat pack cabinets for easier transport. Depends on your needs. Thirdly, the standardized sizes. All the stock cabinets are designed to fit a common kitchen layout. For example, a L shape, U shape, C shape, right? You can reduce the need for custom kitchen cabinet measurement, therefore reduce the times for installations. Last but not least, obviously the fast delivery. They are often available for same-day pickup, some even available for quick shipping. So if you're in need for a kitchen cabinet, choose the stock cabinet if you are on a tight schedule. So for the last benefit for your kitchen stock cabinets, it's gonna be the variety of style and finishes, even though they are pre-made. So let's get into it. So the variety of style and finishes. Despite being pre-made, stock cabinets actually offer a wide range of style options. Firstly, the diversity of styles. You can have them from classic shaker cabinets to sleek, modern designs. Secondly, you can actually have multiple finishes. You can actually choose between wood tones, painted finishes, or even textural laminates according to your own personality. Thirdly, the trendy features. You can option to include glass inserts, open shelving, or even decorative moldings into your kitchen cabinet. Last but not least, the standardized aesthetic appeal. They are all designed to complement popular kitchen styles, ensuring a cohesive look. So don't worry if you are choosing a pre-made kitchen cabinet, they can also cover your taste for your personality and designs. For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing carpentry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet.
Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.